killed it. How do you feel like performing?
Thank you, man. It was great, man. You know, I love being on stage. I think I sort of come alive when I'm on stage.
Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll.
I feel like when it's a stage here, that's when I'm me. Because it allows me to just express myself and just go crazy, basically. So it was amazing. The crowd was amazing. And I think the fact that Kusekaya up had a lot to do with it as well. Yeah. So.
You feel like you have an unfair advantage seeing that it's your home ground?
No, I mean, you know what? If you're good, you're good, right? And I'd like to think that I'm good, so yeah.
I'm always good umthakazi man konwatyewe abantu basebhayi neziphaluka balapha uzovusana nathi eBobeleni Music Festival kumnandi
yabona bawenza i-set nge-sets fill up sets but for instance as this being your hometown, this being like where you're actually born and bred, this must mean a lot to you to be part of such a lineup.
Firstly, but explain the role that I'm playing at Ebobeleni like every year, and we're out here playing the changeovers, and I'll be performing later on with those pen and names. So what I do exactly is in between artists, deningene and entertain abantu, and I've been doing that for the past 3 hours more, and I just got off stage. My figure's all on stage, killing it, and we're really having fun.
Yeah, the people came out in numbers. Did you actually expect such a turnout?
Ebobeleni has always been a big event, and the festival is just growing each and every year. Although in a challenge of the venue each and every time, change event. Hence, igama lako kwayo Ebobeleni ingumahamba ehlala. Kakusingabi ngumahamba ehlala, ihlale abe scribhan for the next couple of years. But the turnout is awesome. Like I expected le turnout ingaka because of abantu base Nelson Mandela Bay neziphaluka bayayithanda kakhulu and I'm on part of it each and every year. Kwabi camera clear. Wrong. Lava. Yeah, we ask ba uthi kuzokuphela baba. Awolaba wrong. It awesome man. Lava to say lava. I don't understand.
I just I don't know what I was saying love. DJ right now. I really have a lot of experience working with him. Whole event. What are your thoughts? From the man, fireworks, fire, from last year, massive. Last year event happened for 2. This year event 4, 5, 6. So much big and better.
Mina chela yena no. Hey, yena tabanga mina bamba loto. Mina tata yena yisa mbugu. Chela yena ngalesobo. Chela ndoda yena foko.
One, it was meant for a family outing, for Tata no mama, for Umdana, your hip hop, your R&B, everything. International acts, which means IPA is just a destination for everything, mostly for entertainment as well.
Abantu bayithathe such a big event, they actually come through and pull through and they represent the IPA, Eastern Cape of
people have been hungry for this and now they're getting this. So it simply means the organizers, they should bring more and more of events of this magnitude. Otherwise, big up to Mahambesala Communications.
Any last words? This is New Year's Eve. 2016 uphelile singena 2017.
Last words, makupushwe. Press up, push up, panda, pray. All.
Venom, I just caught a felony, caught an enemy, the pieces eating every piece for energy. I know you niggas know I'm really rolling with the shit. Cobra Venom, yeah, I know you niggas know I really murder with this bitch. Bone and tell them I'm a beast. Back in the hood, they know me as Patrice. I got it dripping through the mall of feast. Helped a couple kids take care of their fees. They won't let me fall, no, not at all. Nina chala yena no. Hey, yena tabanga mina bamba loto. Mina tata yena yisambuku.